Hi y'all, welcome to Thesys, the generative UI company. The quickest way to deploy can be found on our Getting Started guide on GitHub. In this case, we are deploying the template C1 Next repo. At the bottom, you will find the one-click deploy button that will deploy instantly to Vercel. You can specify the new repo name and whether to make it private or public, and the new repo will be cloned for you. You can then add Thesys API key and any environment variables, and in a short 2 minutes, you will have a generative UI application deployed. From here, you can add custom domains, analytics, dashboards, or check out the live site. If you are already building, you might want to just connect your code repo to Vercel. Log into the website and your code repository of choice. You should see your last worked on repo. In this case, I named it C1 Next Level, and click Import. You can insert custom build and deploy commands, but in this case, our application works with all the defaults. You will need to add your Thesys API key and any environment variables. The application should be up and ready shortly. Another fast and free deployment platform is Render. You can log in directly with your repository of choice, and in this case, we are deploying a web service. Most recent repo that we cloned is at the top. You can update any of the build or deploy commands before our guides, the defaults work. Change instance to a free hobby instance, and you can add the Thesys API key or any environment variables below before deploying. And in less than 2 minutes, you should have a deployed application. You can now make basic to advanced generative UI components using C1 by Thesys.